Get ready for an electrifying tech comeback story. Huawei, the Chinese tech giant, is back with a bang, defying years of US sanctions. Their latest Mate 60 series is causing waves of excitement in China. The Huawei Mate 60, armed with a groundbreaking proprietary chip, has completely sold out in China. People are going crazy for it, seeing Huawei as a brand that can break through those pesky US sanctions. And that's not all. There's also the advanced Mate 60 Pro, a 5G powerhouse. But here's the kicker. Huawei has struck a blow to those sanctions by using a cutting-edge 7nm Kirin 9000 chipset made right in China by the impressive Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corp. (SMIC). And guess what? The wireless tech in this $900 plus smartphone is as speedy as Apple's latest iPhones, proving they mean business with 5G. In the ultimate showdown, Huawei's new smartphone goes toe-to-toe with Apple's latest iPhones in wireless speed tests, showing the world that China is breaking through despite the tough US tech sanctions. And remember when we talked about Huawei eyeing a return to the 5G smartphone game back in July? Well, it's happening. They're stockpiling a minimum of 15 million Mate 60 units, with at least 7 million expected to fly off the shelves. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro? It's so hot that it's been flying off the virtual shelves of online stores. People lining up to get their hands on the Mate 60 series. When a reporter visited a Huawei store in Shenzhen, a crowd had already formed eager to snag these fantastic handsets. The new phones were unleashed online last week, but Huawei is keeping some details under wraps, adding to the suspense. Here's the twist. The US and Europe are convinced that Huawei is a national security threat, a claim Huawei vehemently denies. The US has been slapping sanctions on Chinese firms since 2019, and even the Joe Biden administration is trying to cut Huawei off from American suppliers like Intel and Qualcomm. Hold on tight, folks. Huawei's comeback is not just exciting, it's a tech thriller in the making.